This is the Risadas small pocket knife. This is an everyday carry pocket knife. Let's open it up here and see what's inside. Just picked this up. Looked like a really neat item. Just looking for a new pocket knife just for like fishing and things like that, just to have. I like it because it's small and it has this keychain latch right here, which was pretty neat. That's what I liked about this one. But this thing measures 4.5 inches when it's fully open and 3.08 inches when it's closed. Also, what I liked about it, it was all black and it has like the matte black blade on it. You could see it's pre-lubricated right here, and it just opens really nice and easy like that. So you'd see the blade here just if you put it up to like your finger here. It's not too big, but it'd be perfect for just like a EDC pocket knife on a keychain. So if you're doing some outdoor stuff, you just need something to make a quick cut, this is going to be exactly what you need here. I like the fact you'd see here it fits in your hand really nicely. If you're going to latch on a keychain or a belt loop or wherever, it's just really nice. It's very easy to open too, you can see here. This is a really high quality item. I'm very impressed with it. It's made very well, and it's a really cool item. This is the box that it ships in, so if you're buying it for a gift for somebody, you can see here it is a really cool cool box there. See, it says on the side, best gift just for you. And then on the side here, it just shows camping, traveling, cycling, and daily use. So really cool item here. Highly recommend checking this out if you're looking to buy a knife, an EDC knife for yourself, looking to pick up a gift for somebody. This is a really cool item.